So in this KOHO Financial tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to have light display settings turned on the KOHO Financial application. So once KOHO Financial is opened up, go to the top left hand side of your screen and press on the human icon or the profile icon. Once you're on this page, down below where it says account settings, sort of in the middle, go ahead and select that. Then on the account settings page, just go down to where it says display. And then right now for me, my light display settings are turned on. But for example, for you, if it's dark, it'll look like this. If you want to make it light, just press on light and your background should turn white or light. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to have light display settings turned on KOHO Financial. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.